War of words has intensified just 3 days ahead of elections. BJP's mega show of strength in Delhi today, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding a mega roadshow in the national capital along with NDA leaders. The rally comes just a day before the last day of campaigning. On Saturday, Union Minister Amit Shah went all guns blazing against the AAP in Delhi and urged people of Delhi to shatter the glasses of Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal. While hitting back at Home Minister Shah, AAP chief claimed that BJP netas have no vision for Delhi and they will loot Delhiites if they're chosen to power in the national capital. Meanwhile, Congress MP and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, also targeted Kejriwal for being indulged in several scams under their tenure. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also doubled down and equated BJP with Congress. She went on to allege that both the parties are power hungry and made the people of Delhi economically weaker.
वहाँ पे होम मिनिस्टर जो है उसका काम दिल्ली वालों को सुरक्षा देना है। सुरक्षा देने की बजाय इस दिल्ली में चारों तरफ इतने गैंग वॉर हो रहे हैं, महिलाओं के साथ अपराध हो रहे हैं, वो तो देखता नहीं है। उल्टे पूरे दिल्ली के अंदर उसने गुंडागर्दी मचा रखी है। इस बार जब वोट डालने जाओ, झाड़ू का बटन ऐसा दबाना सीधे अमित शाह तक करंट पहुंचे उस बटन का।
उन्होंने कहा था, देखो मैं खंबे पे चढ़ता हूं, मैं नए तरीके की राजनीति लाऊंगा, मैं दिल्ली की राजनीति बदल दूंगा, भ्रष्टाचार मिटा दूंगा, यमुना को साफ कर दूंगा, पोल्यूशन हटा दूंगा, मोदी को माफ कर दूंगा। हुआ क्या? सबसे बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार, शराब का स्कैम किया सिसोदिया जी और केजरीवाल जी सबके सामने। करोड़ों रुपए इन्होंने आपसे चोरी किए हैं। नई राजनीति, वायदा था नई राजनीति का, आए और करोड़ों रुपए आपसे भ्रष्टाचार करके चोरी किया।
समय आ गया है दिल्ली को शराब माफियाओं से मुक्त करने का। समय आ गया है घोटालेबाजों की दुकानें बंद करने का, और समय आ गया है कट्टर बेईमानों को उखाड़कर फेंक देने का समय आ गया है। 5 तारीख को एक मुस्तफाबाद वाले राष्ट्रप्रेमी भाई बहन सुबह 8 बजे से ही मतदान मथक पर लाइन लगाए और कमल के निशान पर बटन दबाएं।
We have Ashutosh Mishra, who's joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Ashutosh, we know that the Delhi poll fight has been heating up with the Congress, AAP and the BJP hitting out at each other. But we also know that Prime Minister Modi will be holding a mega rally in Delhi today with star campaigners who will be joining him. What can we expect and what are the arrangements like?
Well, the numbers of rallies, that is going to be unprecedented today. Most of the BJP MPs, NDA MPs who are in Delhi will be campaigning for the BJP across Delhi. And so this is basically a full throttle campaign, as only this is the second last day, and tomorrow 5 p.m. the campaign will silent, and then 5th of, so barely you have only 2 days left, and that too few hours. So once this campaign, so you'll see Prime Minister campaigning for it, then there will be road shows by other BJP leader, ND leaders. Subsequently, the Congress is on full throttle Congress. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi campaigning, targeting both Arvind Kejriwal and Prime Minister Modi. Subsequently, the AAP campaign, you have Bhagwant Mann, you have Raghav Chadda, you have Arvind Kejriwal himself, Sanjay Singh. So all their leaders, in fact, even the MLA from Jammu and Kashmir, Mehraj Malik, is also campaigning Delhi. So all their leaders, all these 3 parties have put out their best so far. The campaign is concerned in Delhi, and every leader is available, every one part of the party in any state, they are here in campaigning in Delhi. And then, of course, the usual traditional war of words that unfolds out in any state assembly elections or in any election. That's what exactly you see here in Delhi as well. Here the issue that we already see the BJP is targeting on Sheesh Mahal, on Delhi excise case, the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal's campaign targeting the 25,000 rupees per month benefited to the household in Arvind Kejriwal's regime. Congress targeting both on different issues. So yeah, it's only 2 days left, tomorrow 5 p.m. till we see all the noises, all the war of words, and then it will be ultimately the people who will decide the fate of these politicians and their political parties.